Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The dollar rose 0.4% against the yen in the last trading session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The pound fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair fell 0.6% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Japanese makers of semiconductor manufacturing machinery and materials used to make chips said that they had yet to hear from Japan's government about export restrictions that could directly or indirectly affect their business in China. Australia's financial regulator reportedly raised concerns over FTX's Australian subsidiary 8 months before the exchange collapsed. Australian Securities and Investments Commission was concerned about the way that FTX Australia was operating after obtaining a license in the country through a company takeover. AMD rises 7.6% in a week, taking its total 5-year gains to an amazing 506%. Stock has added $8.6 billion to its market cap in the past week alone.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's retail sales will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's construction orders at 0500 hours GMT. The French gross domestic product at 0630 GMT. Australia's AIG Performance of Manufacturing Index will be released at 2130 GMT. The US Chicago Purchasers Managers Index at 1445 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.